Hello, I'm Sir Ronster and I'm outside BikeCraze in Anaheim, California, here to show you our brand new 2021 Shred e-bike from Surface 604. This is straight out of Canada, so you know it's going to be robust and reliable. Let's check it out. This is a hardtail electric mountain bike with both pedal assist and throttle. It rocks a hub motor in the back and it comes in a couple different size variations. I'm standing next to the medium. I'm gonna go over the specs real quick, so I'm gonna be throwing around a lot of numbers, which I can't remember, so I'm gonna read them off my phone. For the motor, we're looking at a 750 watt Bafang geared hub brushless motor in the rear, offering 65 Newton meters of torque. We've got a Surface 604 designed 12 MOS, 48 volts, 500 watts, 17 amp hour smart controller. We're rocking a 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery with Samsung lithium ion cells, which are the cream of the crop in the industry. And you've got the option to upgrade to a 40 volt, 20 amp hour battery, get a little bit more range out of it. We got SR Suntour XCM 3229er front forks, that's a mouthful. We got a SRAM X5 9-speed derailleur. We've got SRAM X5 trigger shifts for the gear change. We've got Textro Dorado electric mountain bike specific hydraulic disc brakes. These are 4-piston with motor inhibitors. We got a Samox 38 tooth front sprocket with 170 millimeter crank arms. We got 180 millimeter rotors front and rear that are 2.34 millimeters thick. A Samox sealed bottom bracket. The frame is 6061 aluminum alloy, so it's nice and light. Rocking a standard 31.8 millimeter stem and a tapered sealed bearing headset. It's rocking 27.5 by 2.8 inch wheels front and rear that are capable off and on road. And the bike with the battery and everything just comes in at just about 50 pounds, which is really, really light. And it can carry a rider of up to 285 pounds. The coolest feature about this bike, in my opinion, is the fact that the pedal assist is torque activated. So depending on how hard you're pushing down on the pedals, that'll determine how much pedal assist you'll be getting, which feels really nice and natural on the bike. But it's still got that thumb throttle if you don't want to pedal. It's got the 9-speed drivetrain, it's got the hub motor, it's got the hydraulic disc brakes. It's pretty much everything you'd want in a hardtail electric mountain bike. So let's go ahead and take it out for a quick test. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these shreds for a spin. So all you gotta do is hold down that power button. See that screen light up? I'm gonna get on. I'm a little small for this. I'm 5'9". This is the large model. So you got your thumb throttle right here. You got your hydro disc brakes. This is your rear brake, front brake. Your gear shifts are right here. You got your bell, you got your light. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the throttle and let's get it started. Oh, okay. So there's a couple power modes. I'm in number 1 right now. I'm gonna put it up to 5 just because I'm not about that granny mode life. Okay. Wow. Very smooth, very quiet. Wow, this is chill. So I'm full throttle down right now, so I'm going 31, 32. I'm not pedaling at all. Let's see how fast I can go pedaling. 35. 36, 37, okay, 37.8. Oh, I'm tired now. So now I'm pedaling and I can feel the assist, the pedal assist is kicking in, and it's that torque assist that I was talking about. So if I press harder, it goes a little faster. But if I'm just trying to be chill and cruise, it'll know that based on how hard I'm pressing the pedals. That's pretty cool. You don't get that on a lot of sort of entry-level e-bikes. This bike comes in at under $3,000, well under $3,000, which in the e-bike world, that's really affordable. Shout out to Surface 604 for making a really robust. You can just feel riding it that, you know, nothing's rattling around. I don't feel like anything's gonna fall off. And look, I'm pedaling chill at 30 miles an hour and I feel comfortable. I don't even need my hands on it. the question very quickly becomes, can it wheelie? So it's rocking a right-hand rear brake, which is throwing me off a little bit from the Sur-On. Hold on, let me put the seat down, see if I can wheelie this. It's a little easier to wheelie with the seat lower. All right, here we go. Let's get it! Yo, that was a wheelie in my books. Hold up. Super quiet though. Listen to how buttery it is. And it's a hardtail, so it's not going to be quite as cushy as something like the Sur-On that's got the rear suspension. But it's still got the front suspension. Let's take it off-road real quick. Whoa! Okay. Okay. Doing little jumps. Really light bike. Right here. So that's a lot of pedal assist right now. I'm barely pedaling. Let's get it. I can hold this up in blocks. It's the 2021. Might be the first wheelier. So this bike's really meant for sort of cruising, doing some off-roading, maybe some trail riding. It's definitely not built to be a wheelie bike, but I'm Sur-Onster, so what do you expect me to do? Oh, you know what? Excuse me. I was reading the speedo in miles per hour, but it's actually kilometers per hour. Excuse me. That was my mistake. This is a Canadian bike. What was I thinking? Oh, it wheelies with the pedal assist. So here's the thing. You know it's good pedal assist if you can wheelie it, because that means it's predictable and it's actually assisting your pedaling. It's not just initiating the motor right when you start pedaling like most e-bikes. Look at this, I got the wheel up, baby. Should I try some tricks? Almost. I don't know if I'm gonna get that today. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to be able to wheelie this. The fact that I'm able to wheelie it, it's gotta be a testament to that pedal assist, the torque initiated pedal assist. I haven't even been using the throttle, but it's so predictable you don't even need it. But here, now I'm gonna start using the throttle. So if you're looking for a bike to cruise around the neighborhood, take it to the corner store, maybe do some trail riding at your local park, or you know, get the family out, I can't help but to recommend this. I mean, the price point is amazing. It's really hard to get e-bikes for less than, you know, 3,000 or 4,000, unless you want to start sort of sacrificing your quality. But the quality here feels great. I'm having a blast just cruising around. Uh-oh, right here.
What's happening?
Check this out, Chad.
Okay, see what we got.
Check this out, bro.
Yeah, I'm on my